everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 6th of December and I still owe you a video for the 4th, 5th and 6th day of my advent calendar. So we'll unbox them together now and see what's inside, and we'll start with number 4 because that's the first one I didn't unbox yet. So let's see. Oh, it's the Ritual of Karma shower foam. So that's always good. Shower foam. I love their shower foams by the Rituals Cosmetics. And we'll take a sniff. Okay. Smells really, really good. And you know, those foams, they're just so foamy, so nice. And it lasts a long time. And they're just amazing. The next one we'll unbox is number 5, so that was yesterday. Oh, and that's the Ritual of Happy Buddha. Smile and the world smiles back. Buddha Belly Body Cream. Isn't that cute? And the Happy Buddha line is smells like Satsuma, like oranges. And we'll give it a test. Oh, it smells so good. My boyfriend loves this line a lot. He has the hand cream as well, and now we have the car perfume. And it just smells like happy. That's probably why it's called Happy Buddha. And then we have number 6. Let's see, where do I open this? Oh, there. On the back says, "This the season to be ageless. Give yourself the gift of youthful radiant skin by adding this anti-aging ampule to your skincare rituals." And it's the Ritual of Namaste Glow Anti-Aging Ampule Booster. Really nice. So I guess it's a regular ampule. I've tested a few of the Ritual of Namaste Glow products, and you can find that on my channel. And I've liked or loved a lot of them. I also didn't like few of them, so I'm really excited to test something new. Maybe that's really great. So yeah, those were days 4, 5 and 6, and I will continue showing you until day 24, until it's Christmas. And then stay tuned to see all of the packages being unboxed. Until then, bye!